quarter panel I showed you on the walk around. We got looks like maybe at some point a tire came off and dented in the quarter panel. We're going to try to save this quarter. It's got some pretty good damage to it, but I think we can get it pulled out and get it straightened out where it won't take much filler at all. We're going to be using our stud gun today and the slide hammer to pull a lot of this stuff out, so let's get started on it. Now, as you can see right here in this area, from here down, this is all pretty dented in. Comes back up this way. This may be pretty close to where it needs to be. Then all this through here is all smashed in. Let me see if I can get you a better. So if we put our yardstick up there, you can see here just how far this is in. Here, back here. So, right here and here. So what we're going to do, we're going to grind the paint off here and through here, take our stud gun, weld some studs to it, and then come back with our slide hammer and see how much we can pull this out and how straight we can get it back to. So. Alright, for those of you that's never seen one, this is our motor guard magnet spot stud welder. You take these little copper studs, slides up in the end. It works like a little spot welder. Put that up where you want the stud to be, push it in so you get a ground, pull the trigger, and it welds the stud to the car. Now what we're trying to do is go along our creases, our deepest parts, and that's where we want to place our studs at. This actually does two things. Number one, it heats the metal just a little bit. As well as welding the stud onto the card. And a little bit of heat can go a long way towards helping you get your dent out. Now that we've got a few studs on, we can take our slide hammer. And this just grips the studs. You put it on, tighten it up to lock it down, and you can slide hammer it out. probably 95% of the dent out. Got most of the shape back in it. There's not any place that I see that is going to take much filler in it at all to finish smoothing it out. Got a lot of surface rust right in here, so we'll have to grind this down. We'll put some rust converter on it, make sure that doesn't come back on us. Probably do a little hammer and dolly work to it once you get all these cut off and get it cleaned up. So, but that's how you use the stud gun. That was a pretty major dent to pull. Really wasn't sure if we could get it all out or not, but it all ended up coming out pretty good. So we'll clean it up, smooth it out, and get it ready for some primer.